Hello, I'm KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you to change your name on DoorDash app. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you shop on Amazon, you can save a lot of money by getting Amazon Prime subscription. If you want to learn more about how you can save all this money, click on the Amazon Prime subscription trial link. You can find this link in the video description. Now let's get back to the video. Like I said, I'll show you to change your name on DoorDash app. We're gonna start by opening up your DoorDash app. As you open up your DoorDash, you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. Look on the upper left hand corner, we're gonna see your profile. So make sure to tap on profile. Then you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. As you arrive here, look where it says account. Then within account, you're gonna see like your name there. So make sure to tap on your name. That's gonna be the first thing that you're gonna see. As they say like change your account information. So make sure to tap on there. Then you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. So as you arrive here, you see like where it says first name and last name. So make sure you put like your desired name that you want to put. As for mine, I might just switch it. Bob John. Then once you switch that, look on the upper right hand corner where it says save. So make sure to tap on save. If you don't do that, it won't save. So make sure to tap on save right there, and it's loading. And it says 6x. And that's how you change your name on DoorDash app. If you have like any other questions, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial. You can find them in my video description. And thank you for watching.